Hello, 6th graders. Welcome to Big Ideas Math, Section 6.1, Integers Activity. Pause while you write Section 6.1 activity in your math notebook. Pause again while you write today's activity objective in your math notebook. Today's objective is understand real-life applications of negative numbers and absolute value. Copy the following key terms, definitions, and examples exactly as they appear into your notebook. Positive numbers are numbers that are greater than 0. Negative numbers are numbers that are less than 0. Here are some more key terms, definitions, and examples that you need to copy into your notebook. Opposites are two numbers that are the same distance from 0 on a number line, but on opposite sides of 0. Integers are the set of whole numbers and their opposites. Today we're going to be working on page 127 in your record and practice journal. Activity 1, we're going to be reading thermometers. The thermometers show the temperatures in 4 cities. Those cities are Honolulu, Hawaii, Death Valley, California, Anchorage, Alaska, and Seattle, Washington. Our job is to write each temperature, then match each temperature with its most appropriate location. So, if we look at the first thermometer in letter A, we can see that it is above 100, but not up to 120. So it's at halfway, which makes it at 110 degrees. And then if we look at letter B, it is right at 40 degrees. And letter C is at 80 degrees. And letter D is between 0 and 20, and it's halfway, so that makes it at 10 degrees. So we can match these up pretty quickly. If you've ever been to Death Valley, California, you know it's really, really hot. So we can guess that this first one is Death Valley. And letter B, 40 degrees is cold, but it's probably not as cold as it would be in Alaska. So we'll guess that that one would be Seattle. And letter C is about a perfect temperature, so we'll guess that one would be Honolulu. And that leaves the last one being Anchorage. Letter E asks you, how would you describe all the temperatures in relation to 0? So that's all of them together. You need to look at them and think about how they are related to 0. This is your homework for tonight. So think about if they're all above 0, below 0. How does that work? And so this one question is your homework for tonight. Your assignment for this lesson is to complete letter E of Activity 1 on page 127 of your record and practice journal. Be prepared to share during our next class. Please remember, to earn credit for viewing this flipped lesson, you must complete your exit slip, come to our next class prepared with the journal pages or other work from the flipped lesson completed, and be prepared with any work that was assigned in the flipped lesson completed. Be prepared with any questions you have for the teacher, and always have a good attitude. We'll see you next time in class.